How to edit bio on OnlyFans. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can edit your bio on OnlyFans. So let's start. First of all, go to the official website of OnlyFans or open its app. Then after, enter your email address and password and log into your account. After you log into your account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now in order to edit your bio, go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon on the bottom right. After that, go to my profile. Then you'll find this gear-like settings option on the screen. Tap on it. After that, scroll below and tap on bio. Now if you want to edit your bio, you can make the changes at this level. For example, let's write something more on the bio. After you have made the changes on the bio, tap on save that you can find on the top right. Then after, it will show you that the changes were saved. Now simply go back to your profile. Then after, you'll find that the bio has been updated. So in this way, you can easily edit your bio on OnlyFans. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.